Well, hello guys, welcome to CGI. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to model a UFO. This is going to be in two parts. The first one will be modeling the UFO, and the second one will be mixing the UFO with the footage, like I did in the UFO video. I'll give you the link in the description box below. Okay, so let's get started with a small intro. Okay guys, now let's set up the camera. Select this camera, Alt R, Alt G, it's 90GY, and get the camera here. And left click on the cube to select it, X to delete it, Shift A and add a circle. Okay, now one for the front view, 3, yeah, 3 is better. Yeah, now E and Z to grab it, okay, and S to scale it down, G, grab it and move it in the Z axis. Yeah, this is going to be the down part of the UFO. Okay, now I'm going to fill it, okay, with a face. So press F to fill it. Yeah, there you go. Now I'm going to select all these vertices, like, yeah, I selected all of them, E and Z, and scale it down. You need your UFO size, right? Yeah, now to scale it, G to grab it. Just need to play with the values, guys. Okay, and yeah, E, Z, is to scale it, and G to grab it. Yeah, we have our basic shape of the UFO. Yeah, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a sphere. Okay, now with the edit mode, press Shift A and add a sphere. S to scale it down, G to grab it and get this here and scale it. Okay, and there you go. You have your UFO. Yeah, obviously. Yeah, and we also need to set up the materials, right? So let's go ahead and open our material properties and create a new. Okay, and yeah, and now I'm going to change this to gray because I love gray for the UFO color. It is your choice, you can change it to blue, green, anything, but I love the color gray for the base part. Okay, and one more thing, you need to open render properties and select cycles. Yeah, now I'm going to change the render to 30. Yeah, now what I'm going to do is create a new material. Press tab and create a new material and change this to green, and it should be darker a little bit. Yeah, this one's better. And now create another material. This would be the emission. I'll assign them for these phases because it will give a cool effect for that. Now I'm going to change the color to blue and set the strength value to 7. Okay, we have our materials ready. So first you need to select a vertices of the UV sphere and press L to select all linked vertices. Okay, now go here and assign, click assign. This will give the UV sphere a green color. And now Z and go to wireframe, deselect it, deselect the vertices, B and grab the vertices which are here. Oh, I messed it up, sorry. Wait a second. And yeah, now go here, go to the emission color and assign. Yeah, we have our UFO ready, guys. So let's see how it will be. So before, I'm going to set up the location where our render images will be. So now press 0 to go to the camera view, set up the camera and move it, and yeah, now press on. Okay guys, this will take some time, take a break. Okay, I'll see you after the render completes. Okay guys, after the whole render completes, the UFO will be like this. See how cool it is. You can change the color as you want, guys. Okay, but I like this color combination, and I like this blue emission color coming out of it because it gives it a cool effect. Okay guys, that's all for today. Let's see you next time in a new video. Until then, bye.
Hello, I'm Baymax. Like, share and subscribe to the Homemade CGI channel. And don't forget to turn on the bell notifications and set it to all.